Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, only a few isolated showers in far eastern Kentucky. We'll start there and then work our way off to the west in the western part of Kentucky for you right now, over into near Paintsville and Salyersville and southern parts of Morgan County, and then far back off to the east, right on top of Inez, even up in toward Louisa and Lawrence County. We do have some light showers, maybe even some drizzle up here in Lewis and over into parts of Carter County. From there, as we get closer to Boyd County. Now, as promised, let's wind out and take you into western parts of the state. This is where the more widespread rainfall is at the moment, and you can even see a lot of lightning associated, let me slow down, associated with this back into places between Hopkinsville and Bowling Green that goes up to Owensboro. This band is actually going more northeast, so it'll be heading toward Bowling Green, E-Town, and Louisville. But out ahead of this, by later today, I expect a decent coverage of showers and storms to really start developing. So it may not look like it's heading toward us yet, but more rain will be firing up. All right, temperature-wise, low 60s and some upper 50s hanging on to kick off the day. Here's the setup. Futurecast is showing that area of rain I just showed you on the radar. It has it going more east-northeast, which would bring it into central and southern Kentucky. While that's a possibility, I do think that a lot of that's going to go more northerly because the flow around this low pressure is counterclockwise. And finally, the surface winds are starting to steer that a little further off to the north-northeast. Regardless, watch what happens deeper into the afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms pretty numerous out there. Can't rule out a strong storm this afternoon. Chances low, but with this low pressure spinning around overhead to add some spin and a little turn into the atmosphere and to those storms, if we're able to get some sunshine, any at all, to break through, that would add just enough instability that it could warrant a strong or maybe severe thunderstorm. When are we looking at? That chance would be more into the afternoon and evening, like really mid to late afternoon would be the best chance. Tomorrow, the low moves east. We still get wraparound moisture leading to some scattered downpours once again. There's that latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Last couple of days, there was no risk for us. Then this morning's outlook, they put us in a very low end chance. Yes, won't rule it out, but it is on the low end. Don't discount it. Keep an eye on it. Keep the Fox 56 weather app handy. Now again, where is these repeated rounds of rain going to travel? So some of these communities where it says over 2 inches, not everybody's going to get that. I think a lot of us end up between a ½ inch or close to a ½ inch to maybe an inch by the time it ramps up on our really late Wednesday. So for today, showers and storms become likely. Some may be strong. Highs today low to mid 70s. Tomorrow, still the scattered shower and storm chance, but the low end severe threat should be gone tomorrow because it'll be out ahead of the low pressure, which will be east of us for Wednesday. Thursday, pleasant. We'll keep it mainly dry right now. Friday, another system that brings us rain into at least the first half of Saturday.